Hello students, today we are starting exercise 2A. All the questions in this exercise are directly based on the laws which I have explained in previous class. So let's start with the question number 1. Express each of the following in exponential form. Exponential means in the power notation. Okay. So as I told you while explaining laws, firstly check how many times 2 upon 3 is multiplying by itself. 2 upon 3 is multiplying by itself 4 times. So right here 2 upon 3, its power will be 4. Next, how many times minus 5 upon 7 is multiplying by itself? Check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. So write minus 5 upon 7. Its power will be 6. So this is your answer. Next question. Express each of the following as a rational number of the form P upon Q. They have given in exponents, that means in the power notation, and they are asking to write it into the form of fraction, or you can say rational number, which is in the form of P upon Q. So this is 5 upon 9 raised to the power 2. It means 5 upon 9 is multiplying by itself 2 times. So multiply it here. 5 upon 9 multiply 5 upon 9. Multiply the numerators. 5 5s are 25. Denominators 9 9s are 81. So what is your answer? 25 upon 81, which is in the form of P upon Q. Next part is minus 2 upon 3 raised to the power 7. It means minus 2 upon 3 will be multiplied by itself 7 times. So multiply it here. Minus 2 upon 3. Multiply minus 2 upon 3. Multiply minus 2 upon 3. Multiply minus 2 upon 3. How many times? 7 times. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now calculate it. Multiply the numerators. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64, 64 2s are 128. So the numerator will be 128. Here minus sign is occurring 7 times. 7 means odd number. So minus sign is occurring odd number of times. So resultant will be minus. Right? Multiply the denominators. 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply how many times? 7 times. So it will be 2187. So what is your answer now? Your answer is minus 128 upon 2187. Next they said express each of the following rational number in power notation. Now this is just opposite to the question number 2. Question number 2 में उन्होंने power notation में दिया था and they were asking to write it in the form of P upon Q. Now they have given in the form of P upon Q and they are asking to write it in the form of power notation. Okay. So students, this 9 can be written as numerator 3 multiply 3, 3 3s are 9. And this 64 can be written as 8 8s are 64. Okay. Now numerator is occurring 2 times, 3 is occurring 2 times now. So this can be written as 3 raised to the power 2. And denominator is also occurring 2 times, so 8 raised to the power 2. As I said, if the power is same and bases are different, here bases are 3 and 8. Bases are different but the power is same, so you can write it as 3 upon 8. Write the power once. Because numerator की power भी 2 है, denominator की power भी 2 है. So we have written it 3 upon 8 raised to the power 2. Right? Next, minus 8 can be written as minus 2 multiply minus 2 multiply minus 2. Why? Because you can find the factors, prime factors of this 8. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. 3 times 2. Why I have written minus sign here? Because in this there is minus 8. Minus 8 will come when minus sign will occur odd number of times. Okay. So this is minus 2 multiply minus 2 multiply minus 2. 27 can be written as 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27. Now numerator is occurring how many times? 3 times. So it will be minus 2 raised to the power 3 and 3 raised to the power 3. Both the numerator and denominator have same power. So this can be written as minus 2 upon 3 raised to the power 3. This is your answer. Next is minus 1 upon 216. Find the factor of 216. 2 1s are 2, 0, 2 8s are 16. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So minus 1 upon, this can be written as 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. Because these are the factors which we have found here. Minus 1 upon 2 is occurring how many times? 3 times. 2 raised to the power 3. Multiply 3 is occurring how many times? 3 times. 3 raised to the power 3. Now minus 1 upon, as I said while explaining the laws, if bases are different and power is same, we will multiply the bases and power will be written once. So this is minus 1 upon 2 multiply 3 raised to the power 3. Solve it now. Minus 1 upon 2 3s are 6 raised to the power 3. And this can also be written as minus 1 raised to the power 3, 6 raised to the power 3. Why? Because minus 1 multiply minus 1 multiply minus 1 is also equals to minus 1. Okay, so minus 1 को हमने कैसे लिखा? Minus 1 raised to the power 3. Numerator and denominator both have same power. So this can be written as minus 1 upon 6 raised to the power 3. This is your final answer. Next question is question number 4. Find the value of. This is 1 upon 3 raised to the power 3. It means 1 upon 3 is multiplying by itself 3 times. So multiply it here. Multiply 3 upon 2 is multiplying by itself 2 times. So 3 upon 2 multiply 3 upon 2. As you know, while doing multiplication, we can cut the numerator and denominator with the same number if they are divisible by any same number, right? So here this 3 and this 3 both are divisible by 3, or you can directly cut them. 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. What do you have in numerator now? In numerator you have 1 multiply 1 multiply 1 multiply 1. It means 1. Denominator 3 multiply 2 multiply 2. 3 4s are 12. So denominator is 12. So this is your answer, 1 upon 12. Next part is 4 upon minus 5 raised to the power 2. It means 4 upon minus 5 will be multiplied by itself how many times? 2 times. Multiply minus 5 will be multiplied by itself 3 times. Multiply it here, minus 5, multiply minus 5, multiply minus 5. Now nothing is given in denominator, so you can put 1 if you want. This is not necessary. Okay. Now this minus 5 and this minus 5 both are divisible by minus 5, so cut them. This can also be cancelled out, right? Now what do you have in numerator? 4 multiply minus 5. And in denominator you just have 1 multiply 1, which is equals to 1, right? So 4 4s are 16, 16 5s are minus 18. Why minus sign here? Because minus sign is occurring odd number of times. So resultant will be negative. In denominator you can write 1, or minus 80 upon 1 is also equals to minus 80. So this is your answer. Next part is minus 1 upon 5 raised to the power 3. That means minus 1 upon 5 will be multiplied by itself 3 times. Multiply minus 1 raised to the power 85. Students, it is very time consuming to write minus 1 85 times. Okay, because there is minus 1 raised to the power 85. So, as you know, if minus 1 is here and power is odd, 85 is an odd number na, so answer will be minus 1, right? अगर minus 1 की power even number है, that will be plus 1, answer will be plus 1 in that case. But if the power is odd, then answer will be minus 1, right? So I am writing here minus 1. Multiply 2 upon 5 raised to the power 2. So multiply 2 upon 5 2 times. Now check, is numerator or denominator divisible by any same number? No, they are not divisible by any same number. So simply multiply the numerators and the denominators. When you will multiply the numerators, minus 1 multiply minus 1 multiply minus 1 multiply minus 1. Minus sign is occurring even number of times, so answer will be plus. And here is 2 2s are 4. When you will multiply them, you will get 2 2s are 4, and that will be of plus sign. Multiply the denominators, 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 5. So what is here? Here is 3125. So this is your answer. Next part, according to BODMAS, firstly you will solve this bracket. So solve it here. Minus 3 upon 5 raised to the power 3. It means minus 3 upon 5 will be multiplied by itself 3 times. Plus 7 upon 25. Bracket close. Division. Solve this also, because this is also the bracket. Raised to the power 3 means 5 upon 2 will be multiplied by itself 3 times. Now the next step, solve this bracket. 3 3s are 9 3s are 27. 27 minus sign is occurring odd number of times, so put minus sign here. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. Plus 7 upon 25. Bracket close. Division sign. Solve here. 5 5s are 25. 5s are 125. Upon 2 2s are 4 2s are 8. Right? Now open the bracket. Inner bracket. Okay. Minus 27 upon 25. 125. Plus 7 upon 25 divided by 125 upon 8. Now solve this bracket. Denominators are different, so you will take the LCM of these denominators. LCM will be 125. This is already 125, so no need to multiply the numerator with any number. Plus 25 5s are 125, so multiply the numerator by 5 divided by 125 upon 8. Now solve it. Minus 27 plus 5 7s are 35 upon 125 divided by 125 upon 8. Both have different signs, so values will be subtracted. 35 minus 27 is 8, and sign will be of greater numeral, which is plus. So no need to put plus sign here, because plus 8 is also equals to 8 upon 125 divided by 125 upon 8. Now as you know, while dividing the rational numbers, first rational number we write the same. Replace the division sign by the multiplication and write its reciprocal. Its reciprocal will be 8 upon 125. Now check, is numerator or denominator divisible by any same number? No, they are not divisible by any same number. So simply calculate it, multiply the numerators. 8 multiply 8 is 64. Multiply the denominators. 125 multiply 125, which is 15,625. This is your answer. Next, find the reciprocal of. Reciprocal of this. Students, in earlier classes also I have explained to you about the reciprocal. In reciprocal, numerator becomes denominator and denominators become numerator. So, its reciprocal will be denominator will become numerator and numerator will become denominator. So reciprocal will be 125 upon 60. Now the reciprocal of this, you will write the reciprocal of the base. Base का आप reciprocal लिखेंगे. Reciprocal of base is here -2 ना. Its reciprocal will be 1 upon -2. Why? Because denominator is not given here, so we can assume it 1. Right? Now denominator will become numerator and numerator will become denominator. So reciprocal of base, it means -2 will be 1 upon -2 and power will be 4. So this is the reciprocal of -2 raised to the power 4. Now reciprocal of this one, as I said, we will write the reciprocal of base. Right? Base is -3 upon 7. 7 is the denominator, so it will become numerator, and the numerator is -3, which will become denominator, and the power will remain same. This is the reciprocal of -3 upon 7 raised to the power 2. Students, one thing more, that this 7 upon -3 is also equals to -7 upon 3. माइनस साइन हम डिनोमिनेटर के साथ लगाएं या न्यूमरेटर के साथ लगाएं, आंसर विल बी सेम. वाई? बिकॉज माइनस साइन इज occurring odd number of times, so resultant will be minus automatically. Right? So we can say that this is also equals to -7 upon 3 raised to the power 2. So these can be the reciprocal of this -3 upon 7 raised to the power 2. Next is evaluate. Here they have given b square minus 9 bracket b minus 1 bracket close power 2 if b is equals to 1.1. Here they have given b is equals to 1.1 and in hint they have also given that this 1.1 you can write it as 11 upon 10. Why? Because after decimal there is one digit, so in denominator there will be 1 0, so this can be written as 11 upon 10 because 1.1 is equals to 11 upon 10. Okay, so now start calculating it. Put the value of b in this part. Right? So b square, in place of b square put the value of b. B is 11 upon 10. Square means power is 2 minus 9 bracket b is 11 upon 10 minus 1 power is 2. You want to solve this part, right? 11 upon 10 raised to the power 2 means 11 upon 10 will be multiplied by itself 2 times. So multiply it here. Minus 9. Firstly, according to BODMAS, you will solve the bracket. So here denominator will be 10. 11 minus 10 ones are 10. Power will be 2. Now solve it. 11 11s are 121. 10 10s are 100 minus 9. This is outside the bracket. That means this is in multiplication, right? 11 minus 10 is 1 upon 10 raised to the power 2. 121 upon 100 minus 9 multiply 1 upon 10 raised to the power 2 means 1 upon 10 is multiplying by itself 2 times. Now it becomes 121 upon 100 minus 9 ones are 9 upon 10 tens are 100. Denominators are same, so write it once. This is 121 minus 9, which is equals to 121 minus 9 is 112 upon 100. In denominator you have 2 zeros, so you will put the decimal before 2 digits. 1, 2. You will put decimal here. So what is your answer? Your answer is 1.12. So students, now with this question your exercise 2A is completed. Lot of practice is required in these questions. So keep practicing. Be safe at your home. Thank you. Have a good day.